All right, so we're going to do our intervention and our daily math review in the same video. So we are going to have order of operations here. So please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or please excuse my dear Aunt Schnaterbeck. All right, first off, do we have any parentheses? Yes, we do. We have parentheses right here, the first part. So we're going to do 67 minus 18. When you do 67 and you subtract 18, you will get 49. So I'm going to put 49 here. I'm going to bring down everything else I did not use yet. You can put a slash for the division. I know that's tricky to get onto your Chromebooks. Now, are we done with parentheses? Yes, we are done with parentheses. Do we have any exponents? Nope. Any multiplication and or division? Yes, I have both. And how do I go about it? Left to right. So when we start from left to right, beep, 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 division. 49 divided by 7. Well, we know 49 divided by 7 is just going to be 7. So if I have, let me get the right color. There we go. It's going to be 7. And then I'm going to bring everything else down. So I did not use that times 3. Last but not least, we have 7 times 3, which is going to be 21. And that's going to be it for our answer there. We are done with our multiplication and division. We don't have any addition and subtraction. So there's our answer, 21. All right, so now that we have that one done, let's go ahead to our daily math review. So this graph is going to be video games owned by students. These are the number of games. These are the number of students. Which graph, the graph peaks for which interval? So essentially, where is the peak? Remember, the peak is the highest point, kind of like the peak of a mountain. So the peak, the highest point, look at that right here. If we keep following along, it is 12. So the peak is at 12. You can put 12 students if you want to. The next one, how many students are represented in this histogram? So this is a histogram, remember. How many students are represented? Well, we're going to kind of have to count here. Between the number of games of 0 and 2, there were 4 students. 3 to 5, it goes to 6. This one's 12, 8, and 4 again. So if we add all of those up, I have 12, 6 and 4 is 10, 8 and 4. 0, 0. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14. 1, 2, and 3. So I get 34 students. You can put students if you wish. And that is going to be it for that intervention and the DMR. Great job.